Welcome to Box Recap episode 67. Today we have opened this Thai Mega Evolution box. Let's see what we have received in this box. So, first one, the rare Kyogre, Xerneas, Hariteyama, Yveltal, and Dialga. So 5 rares. Mega Fushigi Bana, Mega Lucario, Mega Absol, Mega Garura. Okay. Then for the art rare, Subo, Machado with the Pikachu. This is a nice one. Dekakus, the Trump card. Okay. And then we hit the Mega Xerneas SR. And Kongต่อสู้ as the item SR. But not only that, we have hit the Mega Xerneas MUR, the gold card. The Mega Ultra Rare Mega Xerneas. This is the best pull of this Mega Evolution so far.